What's up, online shoppers? If you are looking for a way to light up your outdoor space with elegance and without any additional energy costs, I've got to show you these ones. Now, I just ordered these solar pathway lights, and I think they have a really gorgeous design. They're super elegant, sleek, modern looking. They'll turn on at dusk automatically. They have easy installation. You literally just put them together, push them in the ground. They're going to save me some energy, and they even come with their own rechargeable batteries, so it's everything you need right in the box. Let's open it up. These come really well packed. Has a really nice matte black finish. All you have to do is just pop these into the stakes, and there are all the lanterns all ready to go. Oh, these are so pretty. They have the Edison-style light, which I think is so hot right now. And all you have to do is just pop them in like that. Now look at that. That is just beautiful. I don't know if you can actually see the light, but it's super pretty. There is a reflector on the bottom here that's gonna make it work. And all you have to do to turn it on is unscrew the top and then switch it to on. Now look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so pretty. Now imagine a pathway full of lights just like that. I am already in love. What are the selling features? Like, why did I pick this one? Well, first of all, this is a really nice powder coated metal post. It's got a great, easy to use plastic stake that's going to insert into the ground. And the housing of all this is plastic. Your globe here is glass, nice and sturdy. And then the top just easily twists off, and you've got your Edison-style light right there that you can see lights up very nicely, and an on and off switch. In the wintertime, when you take these down, all you have to do is really just take the lid off, shut it off, and then no matter how much you block it, it's not going to be drawing any power. That is pretty awesome. Now, I love the color of these. They are a warm white light, as you can see, and they're gonna give off a really nice, soft, inviting glow along my pathway. I'm just really looking forward to seeing these in action in my garden. The other thing about these is you have solar powered convenience, which means gone are the days that you have to worry about having to wire things or connect things to an electrical box or pay an electrician to come and install them. All you have to do is just turn the switch on, put them in the ground, and you have got gorgeous, soft LED nighttime light. No need for professional installation, no need for fancy complicated tools. These are beautiful and sturdy, and they are going to look so fantastic. Beyond pathways, you can use these around fire pits, around gardens, in your patio, in your driveway. It's a classic design that's going to complement your any outdoor decor, and it adds an element of beauty and sleek modern functionality. If you are looking for pathway lights that aren't just your regular everyday pathway lights, these ones combine charm and elegance, sleek modern appeal. I think these look so fantastic, and they're definitely going to be a family favorite at my house.